viva.com.ph. Again, we would like to invite everybody.
Kasalukuyan nga na nagaganap ngayon ang premiere night ng pelikula nila Tony Gonzaga at Mr. Pepe Herrera na Philippine adaptation ng My Sassy Girl, at sa kanilang premiere night sa SM Mega Mall ay talagang dumagsa naman ang mga sikat na mga personalidad, mga kapamilya artist at mga vloggers. Ilan sa mga dumalo ay sina Zainab at Rana, B. Cortez at Kong TV, Wamos at Antoinette, Boss Toyo at marami pang iba sikat na influencer. Hindi naman nawala sina Alex Gonzaga at Mikey Morada at ang matalik na kaibigan ni Tony na si Mariel at Robin Padilla. Maging si Miss Melay Francisco, Jolina Magdangal at ilan sa hashtag ay dumalo din sa premiere night.
Shall we punish the folks that are overhead? The cooperation of the public is sought to report any unauthorized at viva.com.ph. Again, we would like to invite everybody to show your support to My Sassy Girl by tagging all your social media accounts with the hashtag of the night. That is hashtag My Sassy Girl Premiere Night. So, humingi po kami ng tulong sa inyo na nakakita kayo ng link to the movie or any copy. Please do report this to viva.com.ph. So, nasa dali na lang po ay mag-prepare natin finally ang My Sassy.
Sorry po, kuhanan ko lang po sila, Senator. Sorry, naka-live lang po.
Again, that is